sharing files on your computer by using Skydrive. You can share files on your computer with Skydrive directly from within certain apps, such as music and photos. This is especially useful when sending large files as email attachments. This is practical. You can also open the Skydrive app and add files to folders from there, which is covered in the next video. Okay. Now, right now, see, sometimes, pictures are, getting bigger and bigger in pixels. So sometimes we want to send a couple of pictures, and that's gonna be kind of impossible because of the limits that we have on the sending emails. Okay. Normally, when we send an email, the maximum size, varies from 10 to 15 to 25 megabytes, depending on the company, okay, that you are using. For example, Microsoft, see, if you have a Hotmail account, when you send an attachment, the maximum size is going to be 25 megabytes, okay? Now, the workaround to that is that we could also share, okay, files directly from our computer using Skydrive, okay? Now, the way that we're going to do this here directly from the Windows mode, we're just going to go into Photos, okay? Once we click on Photos, okay, I'm going to go to my Pictures library. Okay, now from here I'm just gonna go ahead and surf to the right hand side, and I'm gonna be surfing a little bit, and let's say that I wanna share this picture right here. Okay, now when I click on that picture, the picture is just gonna be displayed in full screen. Okay, now I'm gonna use my Windows Log 1C. Windows Log 1C is gonna open my charms. Okay, under the charms tree we have search, share, start, devices, and settings. So here's the share option. Now once I click on share, this window is gonna open, and basically it's asking me, okay, how do you want to share this photo on Skydrive, mail, social, yoga? So you're gonna go ahead and select Skydrive, okay, because we already have an for everybody that has an email account with Microsoft, okay. We already have the space, okay, the Skydrive, and I believe it's 25 gigabytes of space, and that's a free space. Okay, so basically right here, see Skydrive already open, and it's asking me add selected item to Alfredo Sky. Now already has some folders there. Okay, so I could also scroll down and look for the folder where I want to include this. But I'm just gonna upload it to Alfredo Skydrive. Okay, and all I need to do is just click on upload, adding one file, and there you go. See, that picture is already into Skydrive. Okay, now once it's on the Skydrive, if I want to share that picture, okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and close this picture for now. Okay, once I close the picture, okay, now picture is closed. Okay, now if I go directly to my Skydrive, see I have email and W8 on my first Skydrive, one item share. Okay, and from here I'm just gonna, let's see what can we do. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and refresh. Okay, there's only one item share right now. Okay, so this is my Skydrive. Okay, there's gonna be a small video every time that you access your Skydrive. Okay, and for now I'm just gonna go ahead and close that. And here's my documents. Okay, basically these are folders. Okay, all these files are shared with you guys. Okay, so all of these are different files. Okay, now I'm just gonna keep scrolling. Okay, there's some zip folders, Word documents, videos, even programs. Okay, now the picture that I just uploaded is right here. Okay, when I click on it, it's just gonna display again. Okay, I'm gonna hit escape. I'm gonna come back to the picture, and I'm gonna right click into that picture. Okay, now from here, see when I right click into the picture that I just uploaded into Skydrive, I have these options on the toolbar: click selection, download, manage, open with, refresh, etc. etc. So in this case, I just wanna go ahead and click on manage. When I click on manage, I can rename, okay, this picture. So I'm just gonna rename it internet. I'm just gonna rename it IC website screenshot, and then hit rename. Okay, so that picture is being already renamed. Okay, picture still selected. Okay, and remember we had the download options also. So when I click on downloads, it's just gonna open. Okay, files, documents, and I have the Bluetooth folder. Okay, Camtasia Studio. Where do I wanna send this? I'm gonna go up. I'm just gonna send it under my documents. Okay. I'm not gonna select any folder, documents, and choose this folder. And then okay. Now, okay. What I'm gonna do, okay, right now, I'm just gonna leave that application open. Okay, I'm gonna go back to Windows, Desktop. I'm gonna check under my documents, and here's a picture. I'm gonna double click. It's just gonna open up the picture. Yeah, and I'm gonna close that picture. Back to the desktop, and there is a picture that I just drew. Okay. If I want to share this picture, I'm also, if I want to get a link to share this picture, okay, I'm gonna have to open my browser. When I open my browser, I'm just gonna go into the address bar and type in skydrive.com. Okay, now that's gonna take me into my SkyDrive, but I'm gonna access that through my Internet Explorer desktop mode. Okay. Normally when you guys see, this is all the folders that I was showing you in the other view. Okay. Normally I prefer to use this option. Okay, right here, the sort by. See, we have a little icon. If we click on that, see, it's gonna display everything as a list. Again, I'm gonna scroll down, and I'm gonna look for that picture. And here's that picture. If I change the look, see the view to icons. Here as well, also see that picture. Okay, here's the picture. Okay, when I open the picture, see, this is gonna open up. Now right here where it is sharing, if I click on sharing, it's gonna open this option share. When I click on share, it's gonna open this window. Now from here I could just upload it directly into Facebook. Okay, or I could also get a link. Okay, now this is very important when you guys get a link. Okay, let's say that I only want to allow whoever I'm gonna send this link. I'm going to allow him to view the picture on. Okay, I will select this option. Okay, view only. If I want to allow, okay, the people that I'm gonna send the link to, and if I want to allow them to view the picture and also download it into the computer and keep a copy, I will select the second option. If I want to make it public, anybody will have access to that picture. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna go ahead and use this option, view and edit, create. Click on that. There's a link. I'm just gonna make it a little shorter by clicking into shorter, and there's my link. Okay, if I right click, I will be able to copy, and then I'm done. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and close my Internet Explorer. I'm gonna close my library, and let's say that I'm gonna send this an email. Okay, I'm gonna send an email, and I'm gonna also send the link. Okay, so back to Windows. I'm just gonna type in live mail. Okay, I'm gonna go back, and it should be a link here for mail. Okay, so once I click on mail, see, and it's gonna open up my email. I'm gonna right click. I'm gonna have this option: sync, pin start, move, background link. Okay. Now let's say that from here, I wanna create a new email. Okay, so let me go ahead and close this application. Go to the desktop. Okay, and open up. You know, it's gonna go with mail. Apps 1, settings 1, files 1. Okay, so if I click into this little plus sign, see, it's just gonna open this window. Now from here, it's gonna say, okay, where do you want to send that to? I'm gonna click into the plus sign, and I'm just gonna select, see, one of my contacts. Okay, let's say that I want to send this to Annie Thomas. I'm gonna click on add, CC, nobody. Okay, and add a message. I'm just gonna click here, and I use Control B. Okay, so there's a link, and then I'm gonna click into this icon, send, and that's it. That email has been already sent. Okay, so whenever Annie gets us email, she's just gonna click on the link. Internet Explorer is gonna open, and she's gonna be taken directly to that picture. Okay, now from here she will be able to give a right click to download it, and that option is also up here. Okay, well, thank you guys. Let me go ahead and close that. Let me see what other applications still have open. Mail, I'm gonna close that. Desktop still open. Right click, close, and that is sharing files on your computer by using Skydrive, and also getting a link to share your files with other people. Thank you.